Hello everyone, welcome to a video on Java Lab. My name is Chandan Hegde from Surana Educational Institutions, Bangalore. The solution written in this video is on the following problem statement. Write a Java program to add two integers and two float numbers. When no arguments are supplied, give a default value to calculate the sum. Use function overloading. The solution written to this problem demonstrates function overloading in Java. Let us have a look into the solution. We are writing the solution inside the class lab program 5. Here is the first function as a part of the solution. Notice that we are using the parameters of type integer. The parameters are named a and b. Also, notice that the function is defined as static, meaning that we can invoke this function without creating an instance of class lab program 5. The function is also defined void, meaning that it does not have any return type. Instead, it prints output onto the console. Add is the name of the function. Upon calling the function with integer values, the function would print the sum of these two numbers. The second function we are writing is similar to that of first function. The difference here is that it accepts float parameters. Observe that the parameters accepted by this function is defined as float. Another thing to notice here is that the function is named similar to that of our previous function. Both of these functions are named add. Upon passing the float values to this function, the function would return the sum of two values passed. The summation is automatically calculated by this expression. The third function we are writing is also named as add, however this time we haven't defined any parameters. Since there are no parameters to add, the function defines a default value for a and b, which are defined as 10 and 5 respectively. Upon calling this function without any parameters, the function would simply print the sum of a and b. Observe that this function is also named as add. Now here is our main function where we are invoking the function add with different parameters. At this line, we are passing integer values to the function add. Hence, our first function gets invoked. In this line, we are passing the floating parameters to the function. Hence, our second function definition would get called. And lastly, we are invoking the function add without any parameters. In this case, default values are considered for the summation. Notice that the Java virtual machine will automatically choose the definition of the function depending on the type of parameter passed. Though all the three functions are named as add, because of the difference between the type of parameters defined for these functions, Java knows how to identify a function when a respective argument is passed. This mechanism of defining multiple functions with the same name, however with different arguments or parameters, is known as function overloading in Java. Let us have a look at the execution of this program. To run the program, first we need to switch to the directory where the program is saved. In my case, the program is saved under the directory Java Lab. Use the following command to compile the program. After the successful compilation, the output can be obtained using the following command. Here is the output of this program. Observe that we are able to invoke all the three definitions of function add. Thank you for watching the video. Until the next time, happy learning.